Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're starting off in the bathroom because I'm going to be using this on my legs. This is my third time using it. The first time I hated it. Second time I loved it. It missed a couple spots, but it was okay. So I'm gonna give it another try. This stuff stinks though. It's soothing aloe and water lily, but it stinks. So anyway, I just wanted to talk and start the vlog off here for the weekend. It's currently 8:45, June 14th. We have a lot to talk about. I know, right? Like I just talked to you guys. I literally just talked to you guys the other day, but I upgraded my phone, the beta of the iOS 18. So far, there hasn't really been much to it, honestly. Like there's a few new features I'm gonna try to make a video on. I think maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna try, because I'm just not in the mood to do that tonight. But anyway, also, before I forget, yesterday, June 13th, we hit 1,000 of you guys. 1,000! This took me years. I finally got there. So now, our next goal is to hit, I don't know if it's 3,000, because one thing says 3,000, one thing says 4,000 watch hours, and we're only at like 300. So help a girl out, share the videos out, watch my videos, binge watch them. If you just need something playing in the background, play them. If you're going to sleep and you just want something to have the TV on, watch my videos. So anyway, so I'm super happy about that. Like, I actually could not believe it. I'm like, nah, this ain't real. Like, I texted so many people yesterday. I texted my mom, obviously. I got a big mosquito right on my leg. Texted my mom. I told my husband in person because it just happened like on my way home from work yesterday. So it's not to rub it on your leg. Kind of hard not to do. Anyway, texted my mom. Texted my friend Kiana because she also does YouTube. She hasn't uploaded though since like December or so, but I'll definitely go check her channel out. I'll link it still. And then I texted Maddie Westbrook. If you don't know who she is, she's a huge YouTuber and one of my friends. And you're probably wondering, Olivia, how are you friends with someone with that big on an account? Well, hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
But anyway, hold on. A while back, I want to say it was during COVID times, like, or right after, I don't remember. She started selling Monet, and I ended up joining her team, so that's how. Sorry, I'm just washing my hands, because it says to wash your hands immediately afterwards. So anyway, I texted her, two of my best friends, Sammy and Bailey. I was so excited, like, y'all can't even, well, you probably couldn't believe, but, I posted, like, my Instagram, my TikTok, I think I put on Threads, I'm not sure, but it was a good day. So we just gotta wait like 8 minutes for this to do its thing. Wait, I went to Walmart earlier today with my mom, and I'm just gonna show you what I picked up. We got some Lay's baked chips, just the original. I needed a new toothbrush, so we got this one to try out. It's the Oral-B Vitality rechargeable toothbrush, floss action. It's rechargeable, 2-minute timer, and it's pink. That was because it's pink. It was only like $19. He lied. Anyway, I picked my husband up some Sweet Tire Rope Cherry Punch. These are his favorites. He does not know I picked these up. Look at that action. And then we just got some Aleve because I ran out, so I've been using ibuprofen. Then I got these Flip It toothbrush cover with suction cup. I don't really need the suction cup, but anyway, there's a purple and a black one. You can't buy just single ones anymore. And then I got some reclosable bags, like little bitty bags. for my tackle box. Yeah, got that. So the most exciting thing was actually just the toothbrush. Got some original Pringles. Can you tell I was hungry when I went? And then I got this, which is the Gold Peak sweet tea. Jeez, my Walmart didn't have any more of this one, which is the main one I drank. It's the zero sugar sweet tea. Okay guys, it's now 11:04. Since I last talked to you guys, that nair didn't hit missed so many spots, even though every inch of my leg was covered. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to go through with the actual razor. But anyway, we had dinner. We had Italian seasoned chicken and some fried taters. I watched an episode of Breaking Bad. We're on season 2 episode. We just watched episode 9. So there's that. I'm gonna actually put my pajamas on and go to bed. Just wearing these shorts from Walmart and this shirt from Walmart. I got Sunday's video edited and it was currently exporting to my computer when I went to go eat. So all I gotta do is upload that, make a thumbnail, and then I'll be ready for Sunday. Y'all are popping off with my decluttering video for my iPhone. Like, a while ago when I checked, about an hour ago, it was at 584 views. And it is currently at 652. Like, that is crazy. I'll update you guys tomorrow. It's currently 11:05. Actually, June 14th. So yeah. I'm gonna go to bed. I think my husband's gonna stay up and clean, I think he said. I don't really know. And my office is a disaster, so we might be doing another clean with me this weekend. I might film that Sunday, because tomorrow we're doing the iPhone video. But anyway, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is literally 9:42. I've been up since like 8:30. Of course, my first day off today, I could sleep in until at least 1 o'clock if I could. I wanted to, but I didn't do it because my body just woke me up naturally. So anyway, the game plan for today is I need to upload Sunday's video, get it scheduled for tomorrow. I have to edit the thumbnail for tomorrow's video. I need to budget out my bills because almost all my bills are due today or tomorrow. I procrastinated till the last second. And then about 2:30, like 2:15ish, actually, we're heading over to my sister's for a Father's Day lunch. Father's Day lunch. Sorry, I got like lint all over the shirt. Yeah. And then we were supposed to go to a bonfire later tonight, about 7-ish. So I don't know if we're going to that, but anyway, that's that. I'm so tired, and this camera battery is flashing. So I guess that's my camera's way of telling me I get busy. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on what I need to do, and I will update you guys along the way. Okay guys, I just wanted to update you. It's currently 10:54. I've been paying bills. I've been cleaning. My husband started making lunch, but I had to take over because we decided to have this, like, it's kind of like poly sauce. It's smoked sausage. And it's the word I'm using, smoked sausage. And mac and cheese, and he started making the mac and cheese, and We were literally talking about making our grocery list, and he said milk because we were out of milk. It didn't click in neither one of our heads that you need milk for mac and cheese. So I ended up having to take over, make sure, you know, things don't burn or whatever. Well, he ran to his mom's house. Luckily, she lives about 8 minutes away. But knowing him, he's probably driving super fast to get milk from her. Even though the grocery store is literally a little bit closer. The grocery store is like 5 minutes from us, but you know, whatever. I guess because waiting in line and stuff, maybe, I don't know. So, yeah. We're currently making, well, he calls it lunch, I call it breakfast. Because it's the first meal of my day, so. And plus it's like literally 10, almost 11. So it's still breakfast. I need to weigh myself this morning, but like I'm nervous because I really haven't been, I've been eating out a lot and just not really caring about my calories again. Like I've been tracking them and I'll be over about 400, 500. There's maybe one day I was over by like 1,000. Like yesterday. Yesterday I was over by only 153, which that's not bad. Like down here, April 12th is when I started tracking them every day, pretty much. So look down here, okay? Orange means I'm slightly over but not too bad, and green means I'm under or perfect, and then red's like I'm way over. So keep that in mind. This is starting in April. Whoops. Super red, green. And I started taking it seriously at the end of May, so that's where this is going. And then we're not even June 1st. We're on. Today's the 15th. So here we are today. So yeah. And my last weighing day was the 24th. So it's been, today marks 22 days since I've weighed. So I don't know, I'm nervous. Because I already know I'm probably not going to like what's on the scale. But also, I've been getting a lot of compliments asking if I lost weight because they can tell. Which I kind of can tell like a little bit in my neck area. So I don't know what he was using to flip anything because there was nothing out. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Both of these are from Aldi's. We haven't had the sausage yet, but the macaroni we've had is pretty good. I feel like I'm just talking Rose's heads off. Anyway, what's on my iPhone video? I'm confused because on my YouTube Studio, which that's the app they tell you to recommend if you're like a creator or whatever. Like to see your more like in-depth of your analytics and whatnot. So that's showing that my decluttering my iPhone video is at like 800 views almost. Actually, it's almost to 900. But then if you look on my actual YouTube channel, it's at like 700, almost 800. So I'm confused because that's almost a 100 view difference. So I'm not sure. I'm trying to macaroni down because it's getting bubble too. And bubbly. Let's look it up real quick. Okay, so YouTube. Okay, so according to the actual YouTube app, it's now saying 823. And then my YouTube studio is saying 873. So right now that's like a 50 view difference, but when I'm on my computer, it's saying 700. So he's almost home. He's leaving his work now, which is like 4 minutes away. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking to you guys, and when he gets back, I'm gonna go back in my office and clean for a little bit longer, because this ain't gonna take much longer, honestly. Because the sausage is done, all he has to do is mix in the milk and cheese and stuff. So anyway, that's how it's going. So yeah. Okay guys, it is now 12:23. What I last talked to you guys was when I was cooking lunch, waiting on my husband to get back home. So anyway, we ate lunch, which that stuff was amazing. Definitely recommend. So anyway, we ate, watched an episode of Breaking Bad. So we watched season 2, episode 10. It was the most boringest episode ever. Okay, like ever. And then I ended up eating some Pringles, and now we're back to cleaning, which I'm actually almost done. I just gotta finish cleaning off my desk, shred some papers, and then I need to build my cart so I can put my weights in it and get rid of that box, and figure out where I'm hanging this painting. If you don't know which one I'm talking about, I'm talking about this one that I got from Ross. My dog's been tearing at the freaking thing, so we really need to put this up before she destroys it anymore. I don't really know where I'm gonna hang it though. That's the problem. I bought this without thinking about where it's gonna go. So we gotta figure that out, because I'm not getting rid of it. And I like all my other stuff, so I don't really know. Anyway, so we finished cleaning, and then I'm gonna shave my legs after that, get dressed, go get gas for the car. My husband's supposed to be depositing money into my account so I could pay one of the credit cards. It's in my name, but it's his card. So I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay guys, it is now 1:34. Apparently the thing did not start at 3. Everybody's already there. So I'm gonna go into the bathroom, shave my legs real quick, hurry up and get dressed. And while I'm talking to you guys right now, actually my husband left about maybe 15 minutes ago, he went to go put gas in my car, well, his car, the car I've been using, because mine's still out of commission. He went to go put the money in the bank for me so I could pay on the credit card, and then he had to go to his mom's because he made tea and realized we didn't have sugar. So yeah, we really need to go grocery shopping. But anyway, so let's go. Okay. Also about that, that's a pain in the butt. Okay, and I finished filming. Got clean with me, so You guys are gonna see that actually before this vlog. So, yeah. I'll talk to you guys after I'm done getting dressed and stuff. Outfit. Braces. Versus Walmart New Balance. It's 154. Let's go. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, I'm trying so hard to keep my eyes open. Whew. But anyway, it's currently 1:40 p.m. 1:40 p.m. 1:40 a.m. As you can see, it's not Sunday. So basically we went over to my sister's for that lunch thing. That was from like 2:30 to 6. And then I came back into town, picked my mom up, and then we went to one of the lakes out there where my sister lives and we went swimming. And so it was me, my mom, my sister, my niece, my nephew, and then my brother-in-law's mom and dad. And then my brother-in-law and my husband went and fished while we swam. So yeah, swam. So I'm about to go wash my hair because it feels disgusting. Like, I rinsed off at my sister's house before I put these clothes back on, so I felt a little bit better because I had sand everywhere. But now I just need to go rinse off. Also, sometime tomorrow I need to work on the thumbnail for today's video, because the video is going up today. So also, we're gonna update you guys. It's almost 2 a.m. Sunday, June 16th, and according to YouTube Studio anyway, the decluttering video, okay, for one, we've gained 2 new subscribers yesterday, but the decluttering my iPhone video is at 1K likes and 1K views. So that's cool. According to YouTube Studio, my watch hours is at 320. According to this, anyway. And this is data as of the 10th of this month, so it's behind for YouTube Studio. But the YouTube tracker app, it is showing me, hold on. It's showing me that we're at 328. So if that one's true, 328. We have that many hours left to go. But then again, the YouTube Studios app says it's 3,000 watch hours, not 4,000. So if that was the case, I don't know which one's true. It'd be 2,617. So, I don't know. I didn't get around to filming my video about iOS 18, but I did film the cleaning video, so you guys just might see the cleaning video. Well, you're for sure gonna see the cleaning video before this one. The iPhone one might be before or after, I don't know yet. So anyway, I'm gonna get my pajamas and take a shower real quick and probably just hit the hay because I'm tired. And the way my husband was talking, we're going fishing again tomorrow. Well, they're going fishing again tomorrow, so. I was watching my old vlogs back and my hair is not as thick as it used to be. Like, it used to be poofy. No, this is really good. Granted, I did have to cut a lot off. I have that big of a knot in my hair, so. Yep. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a shower because my head's itching me so bad from that lake water. Okay, guys, it is now 2:13 in the morning. I just got out of the shower. I ended up doing my thumbnail real quick. Though I'm not having to worry about it in the morning, so that's done. And now I feel more awake. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to go to bed though. I'm gonna try to go ahead and go to bed though. As I was in the shower, our dog has a fascination. I know it's most dogs, but with socks. When she was first, like when we first got her, it was mainly like chewing on everything. Like if we had a coffee table, she tried to chew on that. Underneath our bed frame, she would chew on the wood on that. Like any type of wood, pretty much. And shoes and sandals. Mainly sandals when we first got her. And all that she weaned off of all that. And now it's socks, underwear. But underwear's not that much, but mainly socks. And she's back to being fascinated with tennis shoes and sandals. Like one day I came home and she had my husband's shoe on the couch, like the insides, like all out on the table, like on the couch. And then I take a shower and I should know better. Even if it's in a hamper, like with the holes and stuff, she will manage to get a sock out or underwear out. Like, I don't know. So I'm going to go take a shower while I go, and I usually just like wad my stuff up. So fingers crossing that she does not get a hold of anything. And she was playing with her ball when I went into the shower. And I could hear her playing with her ball when I was in the shower. Because we leave the door open, that way she can, you know, run back in and out, you know. And plus, it's a really small bathroom, so it gets super hot in there, and I can't deal with it being super hot when I'm getting dressed. And I come out, she has one of my socks on the couch, and the other one in the kitchen, chewing on them. So anyway, husband's home, so I'm gonna go. She's gonna start barking. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is currently 11:05. I literally just woke up about 8 minutes ago. I have a video going up at 2, and we're supposed to go fishing, I think, about 1 o'clock. No, edit Wednesday's video. Start editing it. I'm gonna step on the scale today because I did not do that yesterday, and I'm kind of curious. I don't think I lost anything, but we'll see. So we're gonna do that. So I guess I'll update you guys after a while. I'm starting. I swear I was just picking up my neck. But anyway, I'm still trying to wake up, so I'm sorry. Okay, guys. Ooh, the lighting is wonky. It is currently 1:58. We're going to be heading over to my sister's. I'm wearing my bathing suit from last year. Just a one-piece pink one. Hold on, let me just turn the camera around. It's just from Walmart, and then the shorts are from Walmart as well. So anyway, we're gonna go up there. I got Wednesday's video up and going, scheduled for upload, and Fridays, so we're set for the week. All I gotta do is thumbnails. We're not even going to them, we're just going to the lake. But I need to work on my tan. I got a little one yesterday. Here's the dress I'm wearing for a wedding next month. It has one strap and then it's like no strap on the other side. But I gotta try to even this out because it looks wonky in the pictures. Or it will look wonky in pictures. I'll show you the picture I have on my phone. You can see the difference in the picture. It looks awful. Ignore my face. You can crop that. This is what it looks like. So, I will just talk to you guys later. Deuces. I've also come to the conclusion last night that I just need to start carrying shower stuff with me in case I need to take a shower at my sister's. There's travel Tresemme shampoo and the conditioner that goes with it, and then this little body wash. Damn. So I'm just gonna take this with me just in case we do go to the beach. That way I can shower. So I need to get extra clothes. So I'm gonna do that with me. So yeah, let's go to the lake. Hi guys, it is now 9:51. As you can see, myself is my lock screen because I caught a fish. I caught one singular fish. My husband caught like 11. My brother-in-law caught like 3 or 4. Yeah. But anyway, I bought tannin lotion, and I don't even know if you can see. Yeah, you can kind of see the difference. Not much. But anyway, I'm gonna shower, figure out what we're gonna eat, and then go to bed because I work tomorrow. So I'll just talk to you guys later when I get out of the shower. Okay guys, it's now 10:42. I just got done eating dinner. I had grilled cheese and some Lay's baked potato chips and a tea. I'm showered. I'm ready for bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here. Sorry it wasn't too interesting, but you know, it's what it is. You can kind of see the tan line. Not much. Anyway, you can kind of see it in my face actually. But anyway, I work the next 4 days. So you guys will not be seeing me until Thursday afternoon. So I love you guys. Make sure you guys are sharing out my videos, watching them, you know, sharing them with your friends, family, whatever. And we're gonna do one last update for that decluttering my iPhone video real quick. It is at 1.1. That's crazy. If you guys have not already, today the Illinois road trip and fishing vlog went up today. We're at 4 views and it went up at 2 o'clock, so that's not really too hot. And we're currently at 1,005 of you guys. As far as watch hours, okay, so YouTube Studio is like way behind. It hasn't updated there since the 11th, so today's the 14th. So we're just gonna go by the YouTube tracker app I have. And we are sitting at, oh my gosh, we've almost went up. We went up by 9 hours. We are at the 337 hours. We just need this many guys. 3,663. Let's freaking go. Like, this is making me so happy. Like, you guys don't even realize. Well, you might, I don't know. how happy all this makes me that you guys have been watching my videos, that there's over 1,000 of you guys now. Like, with that being said, thank you guys so much. I need to go to bed because 5:30 comes early. So, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.